Hi, okay, so I'm going to be going over the AI that I've built for formation using steering behavior. So when you run the project, you can see here we have a bunch of agents. There's 12 of them, and they're doing a circular formation. You can move around with WASD and then scroll in and out to do zoom. Anyways, so they start off in the circular formation. You can press the 2 key, that'll do the V formation, and you can see here they sort of get in the proper formation here. If you want to go back to the circular formation, press 1 and they'll go back to that. You can also do square formation, so if you press 3 it'll do a square formation like that. And then 4 is line formation, so they're gonna form a big line like so. And then the last one is 2 rows, so 5 they're gonna form 2 rows. And once they have these formations, say you want them to move, like follow a path as one sort of entities in the same form that they're in. I think you can press 7 or 8, and 8 will move them to these nodes, and you can see the one that they're moving towards is highlighted red, and then they go to that one after one, and they stay in formation as they do that, as they're walking towards these nodes. So there's, I think, 5 nodes here. We're going to go either all the way one to this last one here, or if you want to reverse it, you can press 9 and they will go backwards in the other direction and still stay in form. If you want them to stop, you press 9 or 0, and 0 just stops them. You can also press like 7 to stop them. You can see they're also colliding here, so if I like walk through these guys, I can push them out the way sort of, but they still try to keep in formation. And you can change the formation here just by pressing like a key, like 1, it'll go back to circle formation. And then there's also fleeing behavior, so I'm just going to put this window in the corner here so that I can see the different values for fleeing, or not fleeing, I mean the flocking behavior. So if I press the U or J key, it'll increase or decrease the separation value. If I press the I and K, it's for alignment, and then O, L is for cohesion. So I'm going to increase, for best results, I'm just going to increase the separation all the way up to like 80%, and then cohesion's like 18%, and then I don't want to see alignment right now because that's going to sort of, they're just going to keep walking in a direction, so I want to be able to see their separation behavior. So you can see they sort of flock. They're only avoiding the ones that are close to them, but the cohesion value, I've set it so they generally stay in range of everyone else, so that they try to stay in formation as a group. So the cohesion radius is very large, but the separation radius is kind of small, so that when they get close to someone, that's when they actually avoid. You can also increase alignment, but as you can see, sort of when you have alignment, they start to move in a direction and usually just sort of wander off. But you can see they have alignment, so they keep going in a general direction as everyone else. You can stop that by pressing, I believe, 7. Yeah. So now they're going to go back to where they were last and do their last formation they were in. And then here you can again just change all the different formations if you want to. So that's how it works for AI. Thanks.